Number 8. In Pampanga, carinderias and turoturos outnumber restaurants and fast foods because Kapampangans always crave for lutong bahay, which restaurants try hard to match but never achieve. Kapampangans will drive everywhere and anywhere in search of a delicious dish. They will eat beside the railroad tracks, endure clouds of smoke in the grill or barbecue man, and climb inside a hole in the wall to find the holy grail of food. And Kapampangans will risk hypertension, high cholesterol, and diabetes as long as they satisfy their food craving. Which is why dialysis and diagnostic centers are everywhere in Pampanga. And you will always find a plate of Norvas and Lipitor pills discreetly placed on the buffet table.
Remember that. Put it in your mind.